One of the research projects that my group undertakes is trying to understand climate change, and we've built our own model, and I have shown a diagram, a scientific graph, that shows the relationship of temperature that's measured, that's in black, and temperature that's modeled in red, and we see that temperature is affected by volcanoes, by solar cycle, by ENSO, which is actually mentioned in this book, and of course by human activity, rising greenhouse gases. We can quantify how much global warming has occurred, and we have a generally good view of climate. Well, if we go to the next page and we see a more complicated model, what we've done in this model, we added some complexity. We've added a new term that drives global climate, that is changes of what's called the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation. Okay, that's a little bit complicated. It's a process that most climate modelers don't consider. And what we find when we put that in our model, remarkably, is that purple part of our ladder plot, the cooling due to volcanoes, drops dramatically. So we would say, and our paper is out there, it's gotten a lot of criticism, but we would say that the community has misidentified a lot of volcanic cooling, and they've attributed what happened to climate to volcanoes, whereas a lot of that was driven by changes in ocean circulation. Now, the hedgehogs have had a field day with this work because we violate something in the scientific echo chamber. The scientific echo chamber says that when a major volcano goes off, we get about a half a degree cooling. We say no, that's not the case. It's more like 0.15 degree cooling. So we say volcanoes cool, but not nearly as much as had been thought. Most remarkably, and I look forward to one day meeting Nate Silver and trying to understand how he got this. Most remarkably, on page 392 of his book, he says that Mount Pinatubo caused global temperature to drop by 0.2 degrees Celsius for 2 years after the eruption, which is nearly identical to what we stated in our paper. I don't think Nate read our paper because our paper came out as his book was going to press, but I kind of wonder how exactly he got this because he, again, is going against the scientific echo chamber.